Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make spinach pesto sauce. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of fresh spinach, 1/4 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. Toasting the pine nuts for about 3 minutes really brings out their nutty flavor, which is a crucial step for a rich pesto. Now, let's get blending. Place your fresh spinach, the beautifully toasted pine nuts, and the 2 garlic cloves into a food processor. Give it a few pulses until everything is finely chopped and starting to come together. Next, incorporate the 1/2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. This adds a wonderful salty and umami depth to our pesto, making it truly irresistible. The key to a perfect pesto is the oil. With the food processor running, slowly drizzle in 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil. This emulsifies the ingredients, creating that signature creamy texture. Blend until it's smooth but still has a little bite from the nuts and spinach. Finally, season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, adjusting to your taste. Your delicious spinach pesto is now ready to enjoy. It's incredibly versatile. Try it tossed with hot pasta, spread on a sandwich, or even as a flavorful dip for vegetables. If you have any left, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. For longer enjoyment, you can freeze it in small portions, like ice cube trays, for up to 3 months.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.